Hey guys, it's Anastasia again, and today we're going to talk about how to greet people in Russian, because we have a lot of ways to do that, how to ask them about how they're doing, and why it is important to ask or not to ask, and what to ask. And also we'll talk about how to say goodbye in Russian, because we also have a lot of ways to say that. And if you like this channel, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to do that, because I'm just starting and I need that to grow so more people can watch my videos and learn Russian, or at least have fun with it. So let's start from greetings. We have many ways to say hello. Like in English too, you can say hi, hello, heyo, what's up, what else, sup? I don't know more, probably, that's it. But in Russian, we say Привет. That's an informal one. Привет. You say that to friends. If you say something more formal to people that you don't really know, you say Здравствуйте. Здравствуйте. That's the word that scares all the foreigners. Здравствуйте. Because we have so many consonants in one word. And this is formal, but also you can greet your friend with the word Здравствуй. It's kind of like half of Здравствуйте. Здравствуй. There will be a little more like it's a special occasion or something. If you say that instead of Привет. Also, people say Добрый день, means good day. Добрый день. Доброе утро, good morning. Добрый вечер, good evening. We do say that, we actually do say that. The next important thing is the question that bothers me all the time. How are you? It bothers me when I'm not in Russia, especially when I'm in the US, because people ask how I am and then they don't care for my answer. They just say, hey, how are you? Let's do something. And you're like, I didn't answer how are you question. What are you going on? Why did you even ask me that? But I already learned that it's common here and nobody cares for your answer. And you just kind of like, hi and how are you go together. And you don't have to answer that. It's kind of like, what's up? A super, super useless question. What's up? I mean, how do you even answer that? Like, the only thing that you can say is nothing, or sky, which is lame, I guess, or ceiling, which is also super lame. So I just don't answer these questions anymore. I don't care. But I still ask them. But I ask them, as a Russian person, I ask, how are you? Which is как dela in Russian. I would ask как dela only if I really want to know. That's not like a phrase that you ask all the time. No, it's if you really want to know how a person is doing, then you ask как dela. Or there are ways to ask that. Also, you can say как ты, which means how are you? Because как dela means literally how are your things, and как ты is how are you. Also, you can ask it a little even longer, which will be как твои дела. It's how are your things again. It's как дела, how things, как ты, how you, как твои дела, how your things. Yeah, so that's how we ask that. And please, if you ask a Russian person как дела, wait for the answer and listen to it. And sometimes как dela can bring up a lot of different questions and even a life story or something like that. Как dela is an important thing in Russian, because you can really hurt somebody not listening to their answer. Next question that a lot of people ask, which is kind of like what's up, but what's up is a weird one again. We ask что ты делаешь, or что делаешь. That means what are you doing? Which is a little more straightforward than what's up. What are you doing now? Что ты делаешь? People would ask that if they call or if they text and they want to meet or something like that. They would ask что ты делаешь? And usually if you ask что ты делаешь, it means that you're just commonly interested, or you want to suggest something else to do, like right now or tonight or something like that. Что ты делаешь? What are you doing? And now let's talk about the goodbye phrases. So an informal goodbye is пока. We also say пока-пока, which sounds a little bit cuter. And yeah, I hear that one more than just пока. Another one that's a little more formal is до свидания. Okay, not a little, it's really formal. До свидания. That's what you would say to a teacher, to a doctor, to somebody who's older. До свидания. Which literally means until a date. До свидания. Until a date. So it means that you will see this person one more time. До свидания. And the sad one is Прощай. That's something like goodbye forever. Goodbye forever, Прощай, something like sayonara. I'll never see you again. Depends on the intonation. If a person says Прощай with a very happy intonation, then they're probably happy that they're not going to see you again. But that's very dramatic. If you want to be super dramatic and you meet somebody in Russia and then you think that you'll never see them again, you can say Прощай. And you will impress them pretty much. Okay guys, I hope that I made it a little bit clearer how to greet, ask, and say goodbye to Russians. I hope you're having fun with Russian. Don't forget to like and subscribe to have even more fun with Russian, and maybe even hit the bell button if it's here. And I will see you again next time. Goodbye guys. Пока-пока.